Hello, my dear friend. How are you? I hope you will be nice. Today we are study about the carbon and carbonic compound. My first question is, what is the atomic number of the carbon? First question, what is the atomic number of carbon? Option A 4, option B 6, option C 8, option D 12. Correct answer will be B. The atomic number of carbon is 6. Now, question number 2. What is the valency of the carbon? Option A 2, option B 3, option C 4, option D 5. The correct answer will be atomic valency of the carbon is 4. Now we see Z is equal to 6 is equal to 1 s 2 s 2p2. We can see there will be 4 electron 4 electron in the outermost orbit, so that the valency will be 4 of the carbon. Now question number third. Which of the following is an isotopes of the carbon? Option A sulfur, option B iron, option D diamond, option D oxygen. We know that the sulfur is other element, iron is other element, oxygen is other element. So the isotopes of the carbon is diamond. Question number 4. Which allotropes of carbon conducts electricity? Option A diamond, option B charcoal, option C graphite, option D coke. The correct answer will be graphite is a allotrope which is good conductor of the electricity. Question number 5. Which of the following is the hydrocarbon? Option A carbon dioxide, option B CH4 methane, option C H2O, option C NH3 ammonia. The correct answer will be methane is the hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbons are those compounds where belongs hydrogen and carbon. So that methane is the hydrocarbon. So option B is correct. Question number 6. What is the chemical formula of ethane? Option A C2H2, option B C2H4, option C C2H6, option D CH4. The chemical formula of the ethane is C2H6. The formula of the alkene is CnH2n plus 2. That is the formula of the alkane. Now question number 7. What is the general formula of the alkanes? Just before we study the chemical formula of the alkane, but here option A CnH2n, CnH2n plus 2, option C CnH2n minus 2, option D CnH2n plus OH. So we can say CnH2n is the alkene, CnH2n plus 2 alkane, CnH2n minus 2 alkyne, CnH2n plus 1 OH, that is the alcohol. The correct answer will be B. Now question number 8. Which functional group is present in alcohol? Option A bond COOH carboxylic. Option B bond CHO aldehyde. Option C bond OH hydroxyl. Option D bond CO bond ketone. The correct answer of the alcohol will be option C. Question number 9. What is the chemical formula of the ethanol? Now we want to tell you chemical formula of the ethanol. CH3OH, that is called methanol. C2H5OH is called ethanol. C3H7OH is called propanol. HCHO is called ethanol. So that correct answer of the ethanol will be B. C2H5OH is the chemical formula of the ethanol. Now question number 10. Vinegar contains which acid? Option A formic acid, option B citric acid, option C acetic acid, option D lactic acid. The vinegar contains as a acetic acid. So option C is correct. Please like, share and subscribe the video if you like. Now question number 11. Which gas is released when ethanol react with sodium? Option A oxygen, option B nitrogen, option C hydrogen, option D carbon dioxide. The correct answer will be hydrogen gas. Repeat the question. Which gas is released when ethanol react with sodium? The releasing gas will be hydrogen gas. Now question number 12. Which functional group is present in the carboxylic acid? Option A hydroxyl ion, option B carboxylic ion, option C aldehyde ion, option C ketonic ion. The correct answer will be B. Now question number 13. The chemical name of the acetic acid is. The chemical name of the acetic acid. Option A methanoic acid, option B ethanoic acid, option C propanoic acid, option D butanoic acid. The correct answer will be ethanoic acid. Now question number 14. Which compound is used as a fuel? Option A ethanol, option B ethanoic acid, option C glucose, option D starch. The correct answer will be A. Ethanol is the compound which are used as a fuel. Now question number 15. Which of the following shows homologous series? Option A CH4 C2H6 C3H8. CH4 C2H4 C3H6. Option C CH4 C2H2 CH3H4 CH4 C2H6 C2H4. The correct answer will be A. CH4 C2H6 C3H8 is the shows the homologous series. Question number 16. What is the functional group of the aldehyde? Option A carboxylic ion, option B aldehyde ion, option C hydroxyl ion. Option D ketonic ion. Correct answer will be B. Now question number 17. Which of the following is a saturated hydrocarbon? Option A ethane, ethene. Option B ethine. Option C ethane. Option D benzene. The correct answer of the saturated hydrocarbon is the ethane. So option C is correct. Now question number 18. Soap is a sodium or potassium salt. Option A alcohol. Option B aldehyde. Option C carboxylic acid. Option D ketone. The correct answer will be C. Now question number 19. The process of converting vegetable oil into vanaspati ghee is called. Option A oxidation. Option B reduction. Option C hydrogenation. Option D fermentation. The correct answer will be C, that is called hydrogenation. Now, last question and 20 question. Which compound is used for artificial ripening of the fruit? Option A methane gas. Option B ethene gas. Option C ethine gas. Option D ethanol. The correct answer will be ethene gas. Please like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you so much. Nice. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.